Alright, this is full power. 80 horsepower. Let's flip and get it. Starg Varg, 80 horsepower. We in this bit. Oh my. Holy crap, bro. And look what we got our hands on today. The Starg Varg. Y'all know this electric dirt bike. It's pretty much, well, it actually is the most powerful electric dirt bike they got out now. As you can see, it got this beautiful carbon fiber right here. It looks like a goddamn Lamborghini interior. I can't wait to hop on this bike, but first we're gonna do a little 360 and then we're gonna hop on this bad boy and see what she is all about. Oh my god, bro, I can tell you one thing. She looks slick, bro. God damn, the Starg Varg, man. She looking slick. Alright, let's put her in freaking, we don't got much daylight left, so we're gonna freaking, 4 is 80 horsepower? 5? Alright, so I'm gonna keep it on 4 right now. We're gonna be at the 60 horsepower range. 70? Oh, okay, we're actually at 70, bro. 70 horsepower. Oh my gosh, bro. As you can see, bro. Let me put the visor down. Bro, this thing, it flies, bro. Yo, my gosh, brother. Yo, look at this. This ain't even the full power mode. Holy crapperdoodle, brother. It feels so good. Alright. Oh my gosh, bro. It pulls up going 60 miles per hour. Holy smokes. And it's so quiet, dude. A little off-road action. Oh, bro, it just pulls. Alright, I need to put it down a gear if we're gonna freaking floss out. Alright, we're in 3 now. Let's see if I can pop her up. No one behind me. Yes, sir. Let's go. It feels actually so good. Holy crap, it feels so good. This is like my first legit ride on it. I rode it one night at his house, like when we were sort of turning up. But like, it feels so good, like bro, look at this. I'm chilling. Like, oh, dude, I need one of these bikes, bro. Bro, it is ridiculous how nice this freaking Starg feels. And I'm only in, bro, I'm gonna put it in 5. This is, or 6. Alright, this is full power. 80 horsepower. Let's flip and get it. Starg Varg, 80 horsepower. We in this bit. Oh my. Holy crap, bro. Watch, I'm going 50 right now. And it just picks it up. It picks that bit right up, bro. So the Starg Varg, my comparison to this and like a 450 is they feel so similar, bro. Alright, I'm gonna put it down in power. What's up, man? I'm put it back in 3. 3 is a sweet spot. I think that's, what did he say? That's 50 horsepower. 50 horsepower right here. Like, bruh. It feels so good. Bro, it is, this thing is ridiculous, bro. That's the only thing I can describe it as, is ridiculous. Like, it's stiff like a dirt bike. Look at the kid, bro. Yes, sir. Oh, bro. I'm in love with this thing, bro. And it just, it's so aggressive, bro. Alright, we got a little open road ski right here. Like, dude. Tuning this thing is just, it feels so funky. It's like, it's bopping me back and forth, but it's just, I don't know, it's so off. Something about it is so off, bro. Holy crap, I'm in love, bro. I need to get one of these ASAP, bro. Holy moly, is this thing like, bro? It just pops up so nice. Look at this. Look at this shit, brother. Like, oh, holy crap, bro. For a first impression, dude, my mind is completely blown away. Like, this feels like the best electric bike you can own, which it is, bro. This Starg Varg, dude. Pop her up again. Oh my gosh. It's so good. Like, it's so good. Like, dude, look, I'm just popping her around. Look at that, bro. It's crazy. Oh my god, bro. I need a second. Y'all hear this bad boy, bro? That's how you know I'm putting it through some. Oh, actually, it just turned off. Holy crap, brother. That's insane, bro. It's literally insane. I wish I had like a more open area to really rip this thing. But as you just see, like, it flies, bro. We got my big 450 right here chilling. And as you can see, bro, they're like the same exact thing, bro. One's electric, one's freaking gas. One makes crazy noise, one's quiet. But brother, I can tell you, I'm falling in love with this thing. Girl, it is so smooth. Woo. Bro, that shit is... We gotta race. Let's race, brother. I'll pull my thing off right now. God damn, bro, this thing... That was too fun, bro. No back tire left on it. But it's perfect for wheelies. Yeah. Bro, a wheelie's so good right now. Out on the track, though, it's bad, man. I didn't even really notice anything about the wheel. Like, you said it hopped a little or something? But I didn't even really... Yeah, I didn't feel that. I ride it a lot. No, yeah, 100%. Bro, look how slick this thing is, bro. It's just aerodynamic to the fullest right there, brother. Pop a little slow one on there real quick. Yeah. Woo. Neutral for you? Yeah, this thing rolls fucking nice with these wheels on it, dude. Bro. Look at it. That's what I'm saying. The street wheels, dog. Oh, look at the back, bro. It looks like I've been doing hella burnouts. Oh my goodness. And I haven't. These factory hubs? Yeah, everything's factory on the bike except the tires. Alrighty, gang. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video with the Starg. As you can see, we put her through the freaking ringer because she is blowing up. Well, her fans are blowing. She's not blowing up. But yeah, remember, stay motivated, stay disciplined. Shout out Bernie for letting me rip the Starg Varg. Pretty much brand new, bro. So, oh my gosh, I want one of these ASAP. Till next time, gang. Peace.